Let me ask you this. Do you want to your customer buy first one product and or five product at a time? So most Shopify store lose sales because they don't know how to use quality breaks in the right way. So in this video, I will show you how to set up the pumper bundles. So your customer and automatically buy more product, and then you will make more money with this same traffic. Okay. So without further ado, let's move. So here exactly what I will cover in this video. So first of all, what is pumper bundle and what really does it for your store, and how to set up quality break and step by step, and pro tips most beginner miss that can double your conversion rate. And at the end, I will even share some bonus and hacks that will make your bundles looks premium and most not pushy. Okay. So guys, our bundle looks will be like that. So like, let's look at that. We can create two type of bundles. So in this video, I will create the quality break bundle. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. I will show you everything step by step. Just stay with me. So guys, first the step one, installing the pumper bundle. So step one is installing bumper bundle. So go to the Shopify app store and search the bumper bundles and click the apps. Okay, so let me go to the Shopify app. So where it is, so this is the Shopify app. Search the bumper bundle quality break. So if you search that, the apps will show front of the app. And then also the before you download the apps, you should see something like, for example, first of all, you should see their rating. And then if I click on here, and then after that, if you see this rating good, and then everyone giving the better rating. So there is a lot of the, like, only have a 1 star and 2 star, only 3 review, all the 5 star, almost 5 star review. So this review, we have been using this top bundle, blah blah blah. Okay, this is perfect. That means all the 5 star review, guys. So since those are 5 star review, I really like that. So if you want, you can explore more. So that's what I have on that. Okay, so right now, guys, let's move into the next. Okay, so first of all, you have to click in the install. It will take you to the Shopify store. So once you click the install, so you have to go to the next step. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and it will take some time to install. So guys, once you come to over here, here's the option start with the free plan. So you want to start with the free plan, and then you can choose the paid plan if you want. So once you install you have to create bundle, and then as you can see, create bundle, you have to click on over here. And once you click on that, just now here's the key. So don't just offer buy one get one free instead of stock irresistible quality break. For example, buy one at the full price, and buy two 10 save 10%, buy three, and then also save 20%. So this way your customer brain literally trained to pick the bigger deal. Okay, so guys, I hope you completely understand how you can do that. Okay, so let's click on the create the quality break. So let's click on over here, and once I click on that, it's time to design our bundle. So design matter. First of all, if you bundle looks boring and customer ignore it, so pumper bundle lets you customize color, text, and even urgency most popular, and the three options. So as if I show, as you can see that there is a changing option, all these thing, color changing option, you can do it everything. So you can also add your brand color at the bottom. So that's really depend on you. And so this way it will boost your sales and you can get more click. Okay, so first of all you have to do, just you need to wait for a couple of seconds. I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, so this is my brand color. Suppose this one is my brand color, they have a red flag, so that's really important. That actually take attention from customer. Oh my god, this is so much popular, let's buy it. They will click like that and they will buy it, guys. It's very important. So we can customize thing from here, like for example trial one, and you can say like how many quantity they will buy. You can increase it, they have to buy two and then pay one. You can set up like that, and then also you can change the color. I will keep it white. And then also, guys, as you can see how many quantity they had to buy to get the discount. So let's move into the next one. You can also add image and the free gift. You can also if you click here, so if someone buy this they will get free gift. So if you hover over, so as you can see that they will be able to get the free product, free gift. Okay, so now let's move into the next one, Trilo. So from here they have to buy two product, and then the two pairs. So there's the two pair, and then you can change the name. Buy two, you can say something buy two, you can keep like that, or that's totally depend on you. And then you can set up the percentage. So how many percentage do you want to get discount? Okay, so if you want to keep the 30% discount, you can keep it 30% discount here. You can add most popular, trending, you can set it trending, something like that. You can, let's fix this spelling mistake. So trending, you can, okay, so trending, so let's keep it trending. So you can keep it like trending. It's actually depend on you. If you click the subtitle, let's click on that. As you can see, this subtitle also you can add more background. So also you can say something also, you will get free shipping. So guys, you can add this kind of stuff onto the at the bottom, so that's totally depend on you. Okay, so if you want you can also delete that, and then also let's borrow, and then also if you want you can add the gift. Okay, so you can select the one product, so someone buy that, they will get this product for free. Okay, so this is the total gift option. So as you can see, this is the gift option showing here. And then also if I go to the trial 3, so from here same way you can keep the discount, they will get 40% discount. So that's totally depend on you how many person you want to get, you can want to keep the discount. So they have a free option, so that's really great option. And once you done that, so all you have to do, there are some settings, let customer choose the different variant each item. So if you select on over here, customer will be able to select the different item. Okay, so if I hide the theme variant, so the theme variant will hide from here, so I will keep it everything as it is. So show the each title price. So as you can see, show each and then also you can see the price also at the end actually showing a price. And then also you can, if you want, you can add more thing, show total price. You can also see the at the bottom, if they actually select this one, they will get the, if you select any product, they will be able to see the total price. That's really good option. Okay, so use customer text out of stock. So if any product out of stock, they will actually see it out of stock. And then also if display widget below add to cart button. So if you want, you can also select that the display widget below add to cart button. Okay, so add to cart button will show display below, and then skip cart directly to checkout. So it never gonna take directly checkout. So if you want, you can skip that, it will take to the cart page. Okay, so it will add product into the cart, but they will never take to the directly checkout page. I hope you got it. So this is the basic settings. If you want, you can actually combine from here, price discount, this is a paid enable. And then if you, these settings, Apple globally, new quality, break, offer and restriction, you can just here. So let's click on that. So order discount, and then also shipping discount, you can also click do it from here. But let's click on the save option, they will get order discount and then also shipping discount. So you can set up the discount on the from the discount, and then as you can see the discount here, you can also set up this from here. So guys, that's pretty much all about the app. So let's click on the save option. So as you can see, the save as a draft, if you want, you can click the save as a draft, or you can click the publish. So here actually showing that they're actually showing the one thing, you have to enable this widget into your store. So let's click the active widget, so it will take to my Shopify store. So once I come to one over here, now it's time to test. Okay, so first of all I have to go to my Shopify store to test that, but before I test that, I have to enable these apps. Okay, so as you can see, it's automatically enabled. So let's click on the save option. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, this bundle will show. Let's go to the Shopify preview mode, and let's come to one over here, and let's go to the preview, and we will see that is it working or not. So guys, finally, as you can see, the discount actually showing here. So this way actually guys, you can set up a discount. So at the bottom we have removed the add to cart, so customer cannot see add to cart from here. They can click on over here, they can click the add to bag. So this way they actually, as you can see, it's not taking directly to the cart page, it's actually taking to the home page. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it all of our settings. So if you set up the settings like before, it will work perfectly. Let me show you what I mean. So if you go to the Shopify, and from here you can actually set up the all the settings like before, customer font, and let's keep it all the height, all of them, and let's keep the main thing only. Yes, so let's click the show price, and let's cut all of them. Okay, and let's click on the click here and hide all of them. Okay, let's click on the save option from here. So this way your everything will be like before. So from here, show the total price. If you want, you can show the total price, and then use customer out of stock. Let's remove all of them. Let's click on the save option, and once I do that, from here maybe I have to publish. And if you want, you can also see the preview from here. So let's add to review. Let's click the preview, and from here guys, as you can see, add to bag, add to cart actually showing here. Okay, so if you want actually like I select this one, so I will get 40% off. Let's click the add to bag, and then if you want, you can directly buy it from here. So guys, this way you can test your product bundle when you create your store. So since we don't have don't have any all the products sold out, that's why it's not taking to the checkout page. It's taking to the checkout page, but even it's moving to the home page. Okay, so guys, I wanna give you a couple of tips since you watched my full video. So first of all, here's the 3 powerful tips to maximize results. So anchor your pricing, always show the full price and cross the out of based of discount price, and highlight urgency, it's very important guys. And then use word like today only, and then limited offer, and test different breaks. And sometimes buy two get one free and works better than percentage, so depending on your product. So like this is very important. So as you can see, this is the one option. So if you go back, actually you will get the another option like buy one get one, something like that, this kind of option. So if you come to create again, create offer, then from here actually you can get the create bundle, so combo bundle. So from here you can actually set up your product, so they will get combo. So if they actually buy 2 product, they will get discount.
So they have a lot of option. But previously I have created one of my client store. So this is the very amazing store. They actually like, if you buy one you will get one free. Okay, so you can choose any product from your store. This banner looks very ugly. My client actually added. My previous banner wasn't like that. So let's go to the one of the product, and then also as you can see that if I click the add to cart, so guys, as you can see that here actual option buy one get one free. So if I click the add to cart, and I can when I click the add to cart, one pop-up will show up front of me like which product actually you want to get for free. Suppose I like this product, so if I click the add to cart, it will also automatically checked into my store. So as you can see, that's really amazing option. So guys, that's pretty much it. So from here actually I can, let's remove this one, exist preview, so that otherwise I cannot click the add checkout. So let's click on over here add to cart. So if I click the checkout, so as you can see, this option actually showing for free. So you have to pay only one product price, and then other option is free. So guys, this way, if you want, if you want, I can also show you how I set up this, which apps I use. I will show you full video. Just comment me, and then I will create a video for you. And by the way guys, this is my agency website. If you want any help, you can come to me. I will definitely help you to build your professional Shopify store with high converting store, everything. So here I have my customer review, and here I also have my client before after reviews. And then if you want, you can see our portfolio. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future whatever content you are looking for, let me know it in the comment box. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.